So a lot of questions have come up about whether we can coat connectors and still maintain the connectivity and power data transfers. The answer is yes, you can. We will demonstrate. So right now, we have a T-Mobile 5G home network router connected to our laptop, and we will be doing a current speed test without our nanocoating. You can see we have it connected here with a Cat5 cable to the back of the 5G home network. And you can see it is plugged via Ethernet, so we're running speeds right now. It's about 89 to 90 megabytes download speed and 60 megabytes upload speed. So this is our current no coating test results. Now we will apply our V2 coating. It is super easy to do. There is 2 ways you can go about this one. You can simply pour enough coating solution into a small beaker that will allow you to submerge the entire connector in the solution, or take a pipette and apply a few drops on the connector to cover the entire area. Next, make sure to heat cure the connector for 2 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius. Next, we power down our laptop and get ready to coat the Cat5 Ethernet port on the laptop. We take a few drops of our V2 nano coating solution and apply it right on the network port. Normally, we will take a heat gun and heat cure at 80 degrees Celsius, but because of the sensitive surface on the laptop, we will heat cure at 65 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. So we got the laptop powered back up and ready to do the speed test with a coated connector and coated Cat5 network port. Alright, and here we go. "51 megabytes download speed. "35 megabytes upload speed. Everything is good. Thank you for watching. Visit nanoflowx.com to learn more, schedule a meeting, or buy a coating tool kit for your electronics.